Upsell, downsells and bundle explained for creators. You don't need more traffic to earn more. This guide shows you how to use upsells, downsells and bundles to increase revenue intelligently. Why creators leave money on the table. Most creators focus on getting more followers, driving more traffic and posting more content. But the biggest revenue gains often come from better offer structures, not just eyeballs. Common issues include one offer per checkout, no logical next step, no bundle strategy and no safety net for hesitant buyers. Upsells increase commitment. Downsells rescue lost sales, and bundles increase perceived value. Used correctly, they feel helpful and not pushy. Upsell and downsells. An upsell is offered after someone has already decided to buy. Good upsells solve the next problem, save time, add support, and deepen results. Example: course to membership access, digital product to implementation guide, and course to group coaching. Upsells work best when they follow a clear product ladder. Downsells appear when someone hesitates, clicks away or doesn't complete checkout. A good downsell lowers commitment, not value. Keep the relationship alive and offer an alternative path, like a payment plan, smaller product or trial access. Of course, with Zenler you have the abandoned cart, which will send an email if someone has hesitated at that stage, so you can follow up asking them why or take them into another offer. Bundles and common mistakes. Bundles work because they reduce decision fatigue, increase clarity and make pricing feel generous. Common bundle structures include course plus templates, course plus membership trial, and product plus bonus resources. Common mistakes include offering irrelevant upsells, overloading bundles, discounting instead of adding value, using pressure tactics, and confusing buyers. Upsell and bundles should feel like, that makes sense, not, why is that there? To decide what to upsell or bundle, ask, what is the next logical challenge? What would make implementation easier? What do people ask for next? And what removes friction fastest? Platform support and integration. Inside a good platform, you can add one-click upsell, offer downsells automatically, bundle courses and products, control access rules, automate enrollment and tagging, and track conversion behavior, all without third-party checkout tools. If you want more revenue without more content or traffic, start here, because better structures beat bigger audiences. Start building upsells and bundles with Zenler today. Follow the link in the description.